Alright, let's talk about something super simple, delicious, and actually really good for you. Talbeena. If you've never heard of it before, Talbeena is this comforting porridge made with barley milk, a touch of honey. It's been cherished for centuries, especially in Middle Eastern cultures, South Asian cultures. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. First up, Talbeena is a powerhouse for your gut. Barley is packed with soluble fiber, which means it helps feed the good bacteria in your digestive system. This can keep your digestion smooth, help prevent constipation, even lower cholesterol levels. If you're someone who struggles with tummy troubles, a warm bowl of Talbeena might be exactly what you need. Now, let's talk energy. Unlike sugary cereals' processed breakfasts, Talbeena gives you a steady release of energy. The complex carbs in barley digest slowly, keeping you full for longer and stopping those mid-morning crashes. So if you want to avoid reaching for snacks all day, Talbeena's your friend. Here's another big benefit. It's heart healthy. Barley helps manage blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, the honey in Talbeena isn't just for sweetness. It's got antioxidants can soothe a sore throat. Add in some warm milk and you've got calcium protein too. It's honestly a complete package. But the best part? It's so easy to make. Just simmer some barley flour with milk, add a spoon of honey, and that's it. You can toss in dates nuts, a sprinkle of cinnamon if you want to fancy it up. Perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, even a light dinner. And here's a fun fact. Talbeena was actually recommended by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a source of comfort during times of grief and illness. So if you're looking for something wholesome, comforting, and packed with health benefits, give Talbeena a try. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. If you want more simple, healthy food ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.